Welcome back to the channel. Today we will learn how to make Google Chrome as default browser on your PC. To start, open up the start icon in the taskbar below here. Click on the gear icon here, which is the settings. Once it is opened up, in the options that appear at the left hand side of the screen, select apps. Now you click on default apps. You scroll through and you select Google Chrome, or you use the search bar here and type in Google Chrome. So you click on it. Once it is opened, you click on the button here to set as default browser. So your Google Chrome has been set as the default browser. Another way to do this is to use the search icon in the taskbar. Then you type in default apps. You click on it to open it up. Once it is open, you scroll through and select Microsoft Edge, or you type Microsoft Edge in the search bar here. You click on it to open it. Then you select Google Chrome and you select the option to set as default. So that's it, guys. Easy and straightforward. You have successfully added or selected Google Chrome as your default browser. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more useful video tips. See you in the next video.